Are you building an agency or just giving yourself another job? Have you really stopped to ask yourself that question? Most of us get into business because we are chasing freedom. Freedom of time, freedom of income, freedom of building something for our families. But somewhere along the way, we become one of the hardest working employees for our business. If we don't sell, we don't get paid. If we stop making calls, then production stops. And if we take a vacation, the business slows down. That's not agency ownership, that's employment. Today, I want to challenge the way that you think, how you think about success, because the goal is not to become a better producer. The goal is to become an agency owner. Hello, my name is Ortez, and welcome to Insure Your Success, where we have real conversations about agency ownership. When I first got into the insurance industry, my main focus was selling policies, learning about products, how to close most sales, and how to handle objections. Now, there's plenty of videos on YouTube about these subjects, but here at Insure Your Success, we want to talk about becoming an agency owner. And the two is different from being a producer to becoming an agency owner. Now, it's nothing wrong with being a producer. A producer teaches you how to be disciplined. But after many years of producing, I realized something. No matter how good I became, I was still trading time for income like I was on a job. My income grew and my commissions was larger. I was getting better at my craft at being a producer, but I was spending a lot of time producing and not any time in focusing on building my business. So I had to start to change my way of thinking about building a business. One lesson really stuck with me when I had a conversation with another agency owner. Successful agency owners understand what most producers don't. Sometimes you have to sacrifice for today, which is personal production, to create opportunities for tomorrow. Producers often sacrifice for next month's commissions. Agency owners sacrifice to build something so their team and family can benefit from for years. That's a completely different mindset. Instead of asking yourself the question, how many applications can I write in a week? Agency owners ask themselves, how many people can I develop this year? They also ask themselves, how can I build recurring income? That's why renewals matters. That's why leadership matters. And that's why systems matter. Those are the top three things that agency owners focuses on. Now, one of the biggest challenges that many agency owners make is creating a business that totally depends upon them. And I am guilty of that one. They become the marketer, the recruiter, the trainer, the closer, the customer service department, the compliance officer, the technology department, and eventually they burn out. Here's what changed everything for me. I stopped asking, how can I do this? Instead, I started asking myself, can I delegate it, eliminate it, or put it on pause? Agency owners build people. People build the business, and the business creates the freedom. If every decision in your agency needs approval, you don't own a business, the business owns you. Now, I believe one of the greatest opportunities is not just helping families with their life insurance or their Medicare, but helping agents to change their lives. Think about it. If you truly want to help families with their life insurance and Medicare, every agent that you develop can help hundreds of other families. That's what you call legacy. Your success shouldn't stop with your own personal production. It should multiply through other people. When you teach someone how to build a business, you can have a greater impact on their lives and helping them to create a legacy for their families. That's far more valuable than one commission check. That's the highlight of me recruiting, training, and developing agency owners. So it's 3 questions that every insurance agent should ask themselves. Number 1, if I stop personal producing, would my income stop? Number 2, am I developing leaders or I'm just simply recruiting producers? And number 3, am I building something that my family could benefit from or something that only works when I'm working? Those questions help change my life, and maybe they'll help change your life too as well. If you're an insurance agent that's looking for more than just commissions, and if you want to build your own agency, develop leaders, and create renewal income so you can leave a legacy to your family, start thinking like an owner today. Because agencies are not built with one policy at a time. They are built one leader at a time. If this video helped you, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when other videos like this are released. And leave a comment below to the answer to this question. Are you building yourself a business or are you creating another job for yourself? I would love to hear your thoughts. If you're serious about transitioning to agency ownership, click on the link in the description of this video to watch a short presentation. Until next time, this is Ortez with Insure Your Success. I'll see you on the next video.